Got another hard reset today, guys. Today we're going to do the OnePlus Open. Really cool phone. It's the OnePlus foldable phone. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot and you got to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data of the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it will be deleted. And as always, we got a ton of hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you guys could subscribe, like, share, we'd appreciate all that. But otherwise, let's get into this. So you want to make sure the phone's off. In this case, the phone's already off. We have your volume up, volume down, and power key. And you could do this with the screen folded out or in. It doesn't really matter. It's a little bit easier with the screen folded in my opinion. So we'll just do it that way. We're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. And then once the phone turns on, you can let go of power by keep holding volume down. So let's do that. I start off by holding volume down and then I hold power. So the phone's on, and then I let go of the power button, and I'm holding volume down. This does take a second sometimes, so be patient, just keep holding it. All right, so you get brought up to this menu. Like I said, you can, I think it looks like it doesn't come up on this side. I think I have to get further in for it to come up. So hit English. You can use touch or you can use your line buttons. And then we want to format data. So we're going to hit enter or power button. It'll give you this verification code. It changes from every time you do a reset. It's just like their automated system. And we do want to format data. Okay. Then we can either power off or recovery. And it's touchscreen sensitive, so I basically hit reboot right away, but then it reboots. So there you go. And that's how you do a hard reset on a OnePlus Open. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.